Hi guys, so in this video we are talking about window tinting, and right now I am in Manhattan on 33rd Street near the Fairfield by Marriott Hotel, and their request was to match window film at their lobby windows. And so right now, these glass behind me, it's technically three rows of panels. It's a lobby entrance, and they have window film installed on the top row. This is some metal on exterior, and this is high reflective window film on the third row.
Okay, so here is what we need to do. We need to match all these windows with the film on the top row. So I showed a couple samples, but looks like it's gonna be TrueView 15 best matched, and the client checked and they agreed that it looks similar. So we're gonna need to install all this and this with TrueView 15, and the size is gonna be 49 by 100 inches. Yep. In case it's not gonna match, we're gonna need to replace all this film with the TrueView 15, remove it and reinstall. So we're gonna be using Baker scaffold for the lower two portions and the scissor lift for the top row if we need to.
All right, here from inside, we're not gonna include these three panels. From interior, we don't need to install any film, just because they using advertising here all the time. So they just want to do top three panels on this side. And we're gonna need to do 2 rows in here. And then we have behind the corner, behind the corner, we have these panels. And my job today is to show a couple of samples to the customer and to see if we can match it. So obviously, when I came here, I noticed that this is high reflective window film. And once you get inside, you will see that it's very low reflective, or I would say like a dark tint. So I assumed that this is gonna be, see guys waving, saying hi. They're gonna see themselves on the YouTube. So don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way. So based on the visual that I saw, high reflective from exterior and dark from interior, I assumed that it's gonna be either TrueView 5 or TrueView 15. I immediately got those samples. I showed it to the customer. We tried to match it like this on the bottom glass. Obviously, it's a little bit hard just because it's a very high lobby. Those windows, they start, 20 feet from the ground. I don't have a ladder. We don't have any means to get there. So we kind of match it. And TrueView 15 was like the #1 choice. And we had a couple other people check that. And everybody agreed that TrueView 15 matches that film. So just in case customer said, listen, give me a price to do 2 rows because the third one is tinted. Obviously, they don't want to spend extra money. Give me a price just to put window film on the bottom 2 rows of windows. And then in case it's not gonna match or we're not gonna like it, give me a price to remove window film on the top row and install the same film that we're gonna install on in this bottom rows. That's pretty much it. I also used my Glass Check Elite, and I used my other low E meter to check the glass. It's a double pane clear glass, so nothing fancy, no coatings, no nothing, and it's pretty much safe to install TrueView. No, you know what? It's actually low E2. I probably, yep, it's a low E2 as per my EDT meter. It's a low E2 glass. So it's a low E2 glass, but TrueView 15, safe for low E2 glass. And that's what we're gonna do. And you know what? Let's check again with Glass Check Elite, because something I didn't like there. Okay, let's read. Yep, you see, exterior, low E2, soft coat, triple silver. You know, so it's good that we remeasure the glass and find out what type of coating window has. It was a little bit different from inside because this meter originally supposed to be used on exterior. If you using it interior, it may not read correctly, or you need to reverse the readings. If it's showing a low E2, it's actually low E3. So in this case, we measured from exterior, so we have triple silver, so on the surface too. It's still safe for TrueView 15, and we will go ahead, provide an estimate, and we'll see if we can get this job. So this was Andrew from Total Window Service, and my little insight for you of how I do estimates for window tinting in Manhattan. All right, thank you for watching, and have a good day.